Hey my love, so I'm back and today I'm going to be using this beautiful Morphe 35B palette right here, and I'm going to pick up this blue shade in the corner on a blending brush, and I'm going to apply that all above my crease area and just blend it outwards like so. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade Juniper from the Beaute Quintessential palette on a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to apply that all in the crease area and then just drag it outwards as so. And this color is very pigmented, very creamy and beautiful, and it is what sold me on the palette in the first place. Next, with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on an e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm going to apply that all over my lid as well as wing it outwards. And I do have an in-depth tutorial on how I do this, so please go check out that video if you would like to know more. Next, I'll be setting my crease with the Airspun Loose Powder so that none of it transfers anywhere else. Next, with this S27 brush from Color Noir, I'm going to apply some concealer as I would eyeliner and just wing it outwards. Next, I'll be taking this light blue shade from the 35B palette and applying that on the first third of the concealer eyeliner. Next, I'll be taking the shade Juniper again and applying that in the middle half. Now for the wing, I'll be using this black shade from the Ace Beauty palette as well. For the lower lash line, I'll be using a mixture of this one and the shade Juniper. Now for lashes today, I'm going to be using my favorite by Dodo Lashes in the style D309. I do have a discount code, which I will link down below for you guys. So this completes the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow me on Instagram to see more looks such as these. And as always, you guys have a blessed week, and we'll see you on the next video.